Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters. I will add the link in the description, you can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course with AI and generative AI by Oxford Software Institute. And the duration of this course is 4 month and 4.3 rating on Google is there and it's a very good rating. And this is the why choose us. And these are the benefits. I design tools from day one, learn user-centered design and about the UI UX, Figma, research wireframing, prototyping, and these are the testimonials. These are the syllabus in designing concept is there. HTML is also there. AI tools like Figma, Canva, FreePic, OpenAI Cursor, DeepSeek. AI tools is also included. These are the partners tied up with. And this is the course highlight. Like practical is there. Is a research wireframing and prototyping is also there. Affordable fees is also there. And who can join branches and nothing else. There is a lack of lack of detailing about the UI UX in terms of fundamentals, in terms of principles. Other than that, they have also guide you about the AI tools. They are going to teach you. Like GitHub Copilot is also important. DeepSeek is also important, and in mainly UI UX tools, they are lacking with HD and Adobe Sketch, which is also important in UI UX course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum depth and structure is 0, fundamental is there, so it's a 1 for me. UI design quality is there, so it's a 1 for me. And on project is not there. Tools and software train is 0.5 for me. Mentorship feedback is also 0.5 for me. Portfolio development is not there. And placement and career support is there, so it's a 1 for me. And course release fees is 0.5 for me, and industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me. So it's a 5 out of 10 course, and it's an average course on a beginner level, like not an advanced version or future oriented course it is. So if you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can go with this course. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers the depth and structure of fundamentals in terms of user research and user experience, and also covers all the tools and softwares which need to be in the UI UX course, and also helping portfolio development and career support after the completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.